If you've followed SoilSage Chronicles for a while, you already know that I love any gardening trick that strengthens the soil without draining your wallet, but this simple winter technique, is the kind of thing fertilizer companies hope you never learn about. It's inexpensive, it's completely natural, and it quietly transforms your soil while you're busy enjoying hot cocoa indoors. Today, I'm breaking down the winter soil trick that saves gardeners an average of $200 every single year, boosts plant health, and works in every climate where winter brings cooler temperatures. If you're tired of compacted soil, poor spring growth, and expensive fertilizer bags, you're going to love this. Let's dig into it. While most gardeners pack up their tools in winter, the soil is still very much alive. Beneath the surface, billions of microbes are waiting for organic material to break down so they can rebuild the structure, nutrients, and fertility your spring garden will depend on. This trick is incredibly simple. Use winter's natural freeze-thaw cycles to break down organic matter right in your garden beds. No turning, no piles, no heat needed. Instead of composting separately and adding nutrients later, you feed the soil in place when decomposition happens slowly and perfectly. Winter becomes your soil's free regenerative machine. In winter, temperatures go up and down. You've seen how water expands when it freezes. Soil works the same way. When moisture in the soil freezes, it expands, creating microcracks that loosen compacted areas and allow air deeper into the ground. When it thaws, organic material slips into those cracks and becomes part of the soil structure. This process is incredibly powerful for several reasons. First, freeze-thaw loosens soil naturally. Instead of you breaking your back double digging, winter does the work. Clay-heavy soils crumble. Sandy soils bind better. Even dead, compacted beds lighten up dramatically. Second, organic matter breaks down faster than you think. While winter feels lifeless, microbes only go dormant, not extinct. They come alive during every warm day, nibbling away at whatever you've added. By spring, that material is mellowed, softened, and ready to enrich your soil. Third, nutrients become more stable. Winter decomposition is slow, which means nutrients don't wash away or burn roots. Everything stays right where your spring seedlings need it. And fourth, you save hundreds on fertilizer. If you feed your soil all winter long, it enters spring, already charged with nitrogen, carbon, minerals, and microbial life. Store-bought fertilizer becomes optional, sometimes unnecessary entirely. Now, before you think, oh, so I just dump kitchen scraps on my garden, let me reassure you, this method is far more refined. You're layering specific types of organic matter that winter can break down efficiently without smell, pests, or mess. Here's what to add to your beds all winter long. Kitchen scraps, plant-based only. Fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, tea leaves, crushed eggshells, these all melt beautifully into the soil over winter. Winter temperatures keep smells down and deter critters. Chopped leaves. Leaves are winter composting gold. They add carbon, aerate soil as they break down, and feed the fungi that make soil truly rich. Garden waste, soft stems, dead foliage, and spent annuals, all chopped or broken into smaller pieces, can be tucked right into your beds. Manure or bedding, optional. If you have access to herbivore manure, rabbit, chicken, cow, goat, winter is the safest time to apply it because cold temperatures mellow it without burning plants. A thin layer of wood chips or straw. This protects everything underneath, keeps moisture consistent, and creates the perfect winter insulation layer for decomposition. This isn't dumping, it's layering intentionally, like lasagna gardening but winter-powered. This technique works whether you garden in raised beds, containers, or in the ground. What matters is consistency and proper layering. Step 1. Clear off summer debris. Remove any diseased plants but leave roots of healthy annuals in the soil. They feed microbes as they decay. Step 2. Add a layer of organic scraps. Every time you cook, simply sprinkle your kitchen scraps across the bed and cover them lightly with shredded leaves or soil. Step 3. Repeat through the entire winter. Think of your beds like a hungry compost pit that doesn't steam or stink. You feed it slowly, and winter does the rest. Step 4. Turn nothing. No flipping, no forking, no mixing. Just let winter work. Step 5. Add a spring topping. When spring arrives, add a thin layer of fine compost or potting soil on top, and you're ready to plant in nutrient-rich earth. Every gardener I've shared this trick with comes back shocked by the transformation. Your soil will look darker, smell sweeter, feel softer, and grow stronger plants, without chemical fertilizers. Here's what you can expect. Your soil will become incredibly fluffy. Even soils that normally feel like concrete soften up and become easy to work with. Plant roots will grow deeper. Better soil structure means healthier, more resilient plants. You'll see earthworms everywhere. Worms love winter-mellowed scraps. They pull nutrients deeper into the soil for you. You'll need little to no fertilizer. Healthy soil feeds itself. Plants become greener, production increases, and diseases decrease. Your garden becomes more resilient each year. The beauty of this method is that it compounds. Every winter, your soil gets better, and you save more money. Let's be honest. If every gardener used winter to rebuild their soil naturally, fertilizer sales would absolutely tank. Winter composting eliminates the need for expensive synthetic fertilizers, bagged compost, commercial soil conditioners, and those so-called soil boosters and rechargers. Most fertilizers treat symptoms, nutrient deficiencies, without solving the root cause. This method addresses soil health directly, meaning your garden becomes more self-sustaining with each passing season. And that is something big companies can't profit from. If you really want to supercharge this method, sprinkle a thin layer of biochar over your beds before winter layering. Biochar acts like a nutrient sponge, absorbing nitrogen from your winter additions and slowly releasing it back to your plants during spring and summer. It increases microbial activity, keeps nutrients from leaching away, and improves water retention. This upgrade isn't required, but it will take your soil from good to legendary. Most gardeners see winter as downtime, but the truth is, winter is the secret season where soil can transform faster, deeper, and more effortlessly than any other time of year. This winter soil trick is simple, cheap, and powerful enough to change your garden forever. If you apply this method every winter, your garden will only get better, richer, and more productive year after year, and best of all, you'll save money while doing it, often more than $200 annually. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to join the growing community here on SoilSage Chronicles. Hit subscribe, drop a comment sharing your own winter soil rituals, and share this article with a fellow gardener who's ready to level up their soil naturally. Let's keep growing, smarter, richer, and more rooted in nature's wisdom.